Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we're discussing a pressing issue in modern parenting, the rise of mobile devices as digital nannies and their impact on child-parent bonding. As smartphones and tablets become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, we must consider how this technology influences children's playtime and their relationships with their parents. Let's dive into this critical conversation. The role of mobile devices in childcare. Mobile devices are increasingly used as babysitters, providing entertainment and educational content to children while parents manage their busy schedules. With just a few taps, kids can access games, videos, and learning apps, allowing parents to focus on work or household tasks. While this can offer a much-needed respite for parents, it raises important questions about the implications for children's development and well-being. Impact on child-parent bonding. Using mobile devices as digital nannies can significantly affect the bonding experience between parents and children. Excessive screen time may reduce opportunities for meaningful interactions and play, which are essential for emotional development and communication skills. Parents who rely on devices to occupy their children might miss out on quality time spent together, leading to a weaker emotional connection and reduced opportunities for shared experiences. Play is crucial for childhood development, fostering creativity, social skills, and problem-solving abilities. When children spend more time on screens, they may miss out on essential hands-on play experiences that promote cognitive and social development. Studies suggest that over-reliance on screens can lead to issues such as decreased attention spans, impaired social interactions, and difficulties in emotional regulation, all of which can have lasting effects on a child's development. While mobile devices can offer educational benefits and entertainment, it's essential for parents to strike a balance. Setting boundaries around screen time and encouraging active play, reading, and outdoor activities can help ensure children benefit from a well-rounded upbringing. Parents should also consider co-viewing or participating in digital activities with their children, fostering engagement and creating opportunities for discussion and bonding. As technology continues to evolve, parents must navigate the challenges and benefits of digital devices. Open communication about screen time, setting limits, and promoting healthy habits can help families adapt to this new reality. By finding a balance between digital engagement and quality time, parents can strengthen their bonds with their children while still embracing the advantages of technology. Thank you for joining KLM Institute for this important discussion on the implications of using mobile devices as digital nannies. It's crucial for parents to consider how technology impacts child development and family relationships. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KLM Institute for insights on parenting, technology, and family dynamics. See you next time, and stay connected with your loved ones.